So this is a Mountfield 484 WSB. This is a 48cm machine. It's using a 125cc Briggs & Stratton engine. So this is a 4-stroke engine, so it just uses straight unleaded fuel. It's got a primer carburettor, so you literally prime the engine, pull the cord, and away we go. So this is a really feature-packed machine. It's actually a 3-in-1, so it can mulch the grass, collect the grass, and it will also rear discharge the grass by removing the grass box. So at the moment, the machine is set up as a grass collector. So it's cutting the grass here, transporting the grass into the grass box. Now, if we like, we can remove the grass box, like so, drop the rear deflector down, and it's now just rear discharging the grass straight out the back of the machine. This is great if we're in long grass that we want to get down quickly and not have to collect it up. Thirdly, we have a mulching plug. So we can lift the rear grass flap, insert the plug, click it into place. Now the machine is set up as a mulching mower, so this will give you a nice collected finish, but without collecting the grass. So this machine has got a single point height of cut adjustment. Goes on the lever on the rear wheel. It works in nice, simple, easy movement, and it goes from 27mm to 80mm with 5 individual steps. Another feature on this machine, if we just flip him up, you can see on the front here we have the anti-scalp cone. So this anti-scalp plate here will stop the machine from scalping the grass when you're using the lower settings on the height of cut adjustment. This machine has larger wheels. We call this type of machine a big wheeler. The big wheels help the machine cope with undulations in the ground a lot easier.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has 2 years manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by the ServiceLink helpline and over 600 ServiceLink approved dealers across the UK and Ireland. These ServiceLink dealers will happily carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.